Hi, my friends, my mathematicians. A mathematician is someone that learns about math, and we're going to do a little lesson on shapes. And we've been talking a lot about shapes. Today, I want to introduce you to some new words that go along with some new shapes. So, for example, we've been talking about this shape, and this is called a circle. And a circle is round, and this circle, when I put it in my hand, it's flat. I know it's flat because if I clap, my hands touch. So when it's flat, it's called a 2D shape. Can you say 2D? That stands for two-dimensional, but we just say 2D right now. That's a little bit easier. So I'm going to show you another circle. Now this looks just like a circle, right? But if I take this and I put it on my hand, is it flat? Nope. Can I clap? No. So if it's not flat, it means it's solid in the middle and it's thick in the middle. That's called a sphere. So even though it looks round like a circle, when I turn it around, it's really solid in the middle. It's not flat. That's a sphere, and that's called a 3D shape. Good job trying 3D. Stands for three-dimensional, but we say 3D. So circle and a sphere. That's what we're learning about today is 2D and 3D shapes. Let me show you another example. I've been telling you about a square. It has 4 sides that are all the same size, 4 corners or points or vertices, whatever you want to call them. And when I put it in my hand, it's flat. So it's a 2D shape. Good job. So let me show you this. This looks just like this square. You can see it has 4 sides that are the same. It has 4 points. But when I turn it or I put it in my hand, is it flat? Nope. Can I clap and touch my hands? No. It's solid in the middle. So even though it looks like a square when I hold it this way, it's called a cube because it's a 3D shape. Can you say cube? Good job. This is a cube and this is a square. Let me show you another one. I know you know this one. It has 3 sides, 3 points. It's a triangle. And a triangle that I put in my hand is flat. I can clap it. That means it's 2D. This is a 2D triangle. Well, look at this. It looks very similar to this triangle, but when I take it and I put it in my hand, it's not flat. I can't clap it. It's thick in the middle. And look, when I turn it around, yes, it has a triangle shape on either side, but there's 3 sides to it. It's called this is a big one, say triangular prism. That's a big word. Triangle is 2D. Triangular prism is a 3D shape. Okay, and boys and girls, I'm going to show you another shape that when I hold it this way, it looks just like a circle. But when I turn it around or I put it in my hand, it's not flat. I can't clap it. And it's not a sphere because a sphere is round all the way around, no matter how I turn it. But this is called a cylinder. And a cylinder looks like a circle, but it's flat and it's round this way. So it's called a cylinder. Good job trying that big word. And now I'm just going to show you 2 more shapes actually that I think are just fun because something that I love that I can pretend I have. This is called a cone. And if I turn it upside down, it reminds me of an ice cream cone. This is half of a sphere. It's called a hemisphere. If I take my hemisphere, they're both 3D shapes because I can't clap it. But if I take this cone and I turn it upside down and I put a hemisphere on top of it, what does it look like? Yep. An ice cream cone. So boys and girls, that's my little lesson about 2D and 3D shapes. And See if you can find some things around your house that look like either a circle or a sphere, or a cylinder, or a triangular prism, or a cube. Have fun finding shapes around your house. Bye-bye.